see here, I got this zipper and it will not close. See, it just stays open. So what you want to do is grab yourself a pair of pliers. Take this zipper. You want to pinch down on either side of the zipper. Kind of close that gap. Not too hard, just gently. See if that'll work. See? Now you got a zipper that will close right. And it'll open. So again, all we did was to grab a pair of pliers, and on each side of the zipper you kind of push down a little bit. That'll help to close the gap between the top and bottom of the piece of the zipper, and then that'll ensure that it closes right. Well, thank y'all for watching. This has been Ruby Rambles. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.